Guys, it's me. Today I'm doing grammar, and I'm pretending to be her for the day. With her glasses, and I can see perfectly, you know? I guess I'll start. I'm on number 2. Shut up. I ain't gonna act like you thought. Shut up, Lakeisha. Lakeisha be like, don't you stare at me.
Edith is more talking. Edith talks more than she usually does. It's too loud.
Duh. Okay.
You got to do this. This is me. Is my hair okay? Is my hair okay?
No. It's all fizzy.
And Edith, you say, oh my gosh, my hair is fine. My hair is not perfect. I have to fix my hair.
Oh my god, my hair's falling out.
She took them off. Edith, she just said your hair is falling out.
Guys, this is more of a funny video than a real video. I'm trying to be.
Haley, look. Look, her hair's I know. Look. Put it back.
You know what's going on YouTube.
I know. Going on YouTube. This is going on YouTube. Okay. Wait, turn around. Haley, turn around. Oh, I'm about to get behind you.
9 all day. Hey, shawty.
It's my fun, okay.
You're killing me, for real.
Haley, fix up a little bit. There you go.
Boy, I'm about to slap you. I'm gonna stab you with my pencil. I said stab, and I said slap.
Haley's just mad because she can't do the dab. Yeah. I'll stop it. Sorry.